Hi there. If you're watching this video, that probably means it's been a little while since the last time you and I talked. And I hope you're doing great since your legal process with Atticus Family Law has wrapped up. The reason I'm reaching out is because we are offering a new pilot program to a select group of our previous clients. We realize that life doesn't stop just because your legal process is complete. New challenges can pop up at any time. And that's why we want to offer you the opportunity to have some additional support through professional coaching. Here's how it works. You can book up to 5 coaching calls with me over the next few months. We can use this time to work on whatever you need, from venting and organizing your thoughts to strategizing communication, managing conflict, or balancing self-care. You'd also have access to my new Best Life Assessment and Strategy program. This will allow you to set personalized goals across 7 key areas of your life. And together, we'll create a customized plan and an immersive visioning document that will help you stay motivated and keep moving forward with confidence. Spots are limited, and the cost is $500. Once you sign up, you have 90 days to book your sessions with me. If this sounds like a good fit, or if you have any questions at all, feel free to respond to this email. I'm so happy to reconnect with you, and I hope to talk soon.